Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use the auxiliary input in your Cadillac Escalade. First, you'll need to find the auxiliary port. It's usually located inside the center console storage compartment. This is a standard 3.5mm audio jack, so make sure your audio cable matches. Once you've located it, you're ready for the next step. This simple connection allows you to play audio from various devices directly through your vehicle's sound system. Now that you've found the port, it's time to connect your device. Take your 3.5mm audio cable and plug one end into the headphone jack or audio output of your smartphone, MP3 player, or other audio source. Then, simply insert the other end of the cable firmly into the auxiliary input jack in your Escalade's center console. A snug connection ensures clear audio playback without interruptions. With your device connected, the next step is to select the auxiliary input on your Escalade's stereo. Turn on your vehicle's infotainment system. Look for a button labeled AUX, or sometimes CD/AUX, on your stereo unit and press it. This will switch the audio source to the auxiliary input. Remember to adjust the volume on both your connected device and the car stereo for the best listening experience. If you're having trouble getting sound, first double-check all your cable connections at both ends to ensure they are secure. Also, make sure the volume on your connected device is turned up and not muted. Sometimes, a simple restart of your device can resolve minor issues. For more great tips and product recommendations, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video. We've got some fantastic deals waiting for you there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.